there's, obviously the food we eat has a lot to do with our condition and energy and all that. And the other thing, the air we breathe has a lot to do with it. And then on top of that, the thoughts we think have a profound effect on us. But to get us in a situation where we stop thinking of all the unnecessary stuff on the golf course, or wherever we want to stop thinking about unnecessary stuff, which can be everywhere, the more we can have a chance to actually be there comfortably and see what's actually there in the moment. So the breathing, besides relaxing your body, calming your mind, giving you more oxygen and more energy into you and cleaning out your system, your physical system, it actually helps your mind get into a state where you can actually be more focused, more in the now. So just one little thing learned properly leads to a profound amount of things that you can take to the golf course or take fishing, home life, the whole deal. Anxiety, it has many forms in many places. So if we want to remove or minimize anxiety in our lives, all we have to do is take every day a time out to breathe, to focus on our breathing. So I've got a little exercise for you to do. I guess you've got some homework going forward. Okay, it's a 15-week project. Okay, the 16th week you can have a rest if you want one. Okay, but the first 15 weeks, week number 1, I want you in the morning before you get out of bed to lay in your bed and take in 6 deep breaths and let them out with that breathe in, breathe out idea. Okay, you don't need to count, just count 6 breaths. And if you lose the count, say after 3, all of a sudden an idea comes in your mind, think, was that 2 or 4 or what? Start again. Until you can get 6 breaths in a row, stay in your bed. And what that teaches, that's training you to meditate for at least 1 minute. So if you can do that for the first 7 days, the next 7 days in the morning before you get out of bed, and the evening, if you get double dose if you can, before you go to sleep, just lay in your bed and count 6 breaths, healthy breaths. Just focus on your breath for 6 counts. And again, if you start thinking about something and you forgot what number you're up to, start again until you get 6 in a row and you'll find effortlessly within 7 days, if you do it morning and evening, you'll quite comfortably get in a state where you can actually you can lock into the now for a minute. You know what your homework is for the second week?
Probably try to do more.
12 breaths, okay. Before you get out of bed, 12 breaths before you go to sleep. Third week is 18. Just multiply it out by the 15th week you got 90. 90 breaths in, 90 breaths out. And that's the equivalent of about 15 minutes. So the first week you're learning to meditate for a minute. Second week it's 2 minutes. Third week, so on a graduated scale. You can learn anything if you do it on a gradient basis. Now if you have the discipline, you might miss a day, okay? You might miss a morning or afternoon, but just, if you can have that self-discipline or that value of yourself, it's worth the effort. You've been doing a little bit of it, Andy, haven't you, with this other?
Yeah, part of the day.
Do you want to just move the camera around and we